Hello, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create our FAQ generator with schema.org template from scratch. This is a very useful tool, and if you want to know what it does, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's get started by adding our first component. We'll begin with the tool calling agent. This component will act as the heart of our flow. The agent is an advanced module that can answer the user by using the tools at its disposal. We should also add the chat history so that the chatbot is always context-aware and doesn't lose track of the user in the middle of a conversation. The agent comes equipped with the latest GPT model, so we don't have to add the LLM manually. But if you want to change the LLM model, you do have the option to do that. Next, let's add the URL retriever so that our chatbot can use our input link and extract its data. Now, we should give the agent an effective prompt, which is in the description and also shown on screen. Once you're done writing the prompt, we can finally connect our agent to the output and start using the chatbot. That's all! Our FAQ generator with schema.org is ready for use. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. As always, thank you for watching.